Okay, we're back. My camera checked. Camera's like, nah, bro, battery dead, homie. I was like, oh, all right.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
But now we met up with his boy Tommy. So now we're going to someplace, I don't know. It's a good sound, you can't take it away from it. Oh, it's a beautiful day. And they said there's rain coming. I don't see no damn rain. Okay. I'm like perfectly okay with like not going fast. Wheelies? Yeah, hell yeah. Count me in. This is dope though. Dope. You gotta ride really aggressive here. I feel like I might have a chance in New York because I know how to ride from riding in the city. I learned a lot in the city. Okay, easy. What am I doing? That. Couldn't hear me? Okay, I got it for you louder somewhere. Right there. Dude, this car's behind me is like, what the fuck is he doing? He's pointing at his own bike. Damn, New York drivers, no turn signals, change lanes. They got room, they change. They don't care if you're coming. That's how you change lanes, baby. That was fun, actually. I haven't like swerved that hard. Wow, 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 wow.
Hey, bro, are you still looking for a Christmas present for your dog?
Yeah, bro, I don't know what to get him yet.
Bro, why don't you just get him my wallet by Ridge, bro? Ridge wallets, yeah. You haven't heard about these?
No, I have. They're everywhere. The one that can hold 12 cards?
Yeah, 12 cards and cash on top of that, dude.
Cash? I know he's going to love that, bro. Where can I get one?
You can actually get one of these Ridge wallets if you just check out the link in the description. And then if you want to use my coupon code for 10% off, make sure you use the Killer Cam. It'll be right down there, okay?
The Killer Cam?
Yeah, the Killer Cam. Thank you again, the Ridge wallets, for sponsoring this video. Happy holidays, guys.
Go Ridge!
Okay.
I don't know if we're lost or we're just like going somewhere and then turn around and just cruising around, but I'm all for it. Guys, it is a simple thing in life. If you can live in the moment, you really will have a crazy freaking time. Like doing the most simple stuff. It hits different. You appreciate it different. And you realize, maybe things aren't so bad. gentleman correct to pull it off. So okay, all right. Sorry, that was built up inside. I had to get it out. No, right here.
Yo, bro, this nigga got the craziest video. I heard. Him again. Alright, bro. Alright, bro.
Alright, my boy. You know the one thing that I didn't think thoroughly about? Hey, what's your YouTube? What's your Instagram? The Killer Cam. Everyone puts in Killer Cam. They put 2 L's or they put Killer Cam, and I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not a killer. Not a killer. Calm down. And I have to literally say the K-I-L-A Cam. And a lot of people, that blows right over their heads. But basically, I got the stickers with that says the Killer Cam. That just made that so much easier. That was the first time I was able to do that because I literally just put it on. I'm just excited. That was a little. It's a small things. They were pumped. They were pumped. That's awesome. Any way I can help someone stay out? Oh, come on. That big cheese is small. Sorry, I'm playing by New York rules right now. So sorry, don't want to be that guy. Someone else does it. I had to do it. He did it, and I've never seen anyone else do it aside from me. Like, no one never has the idea to just touch the side of a truck because you can. Just because you simply are on a bike and you can. But back to the point, I'm in New York. I gotta play by their rules. Gotta adapt. Life is about adapting. You wanna stay? You're not making it through. You gotta adapt. That's why change is good.
Next highway is like babysit school.
For real?
So it's all blacktop. And so whenever you're ready, let me know, and I'll get next to you. I'll go in 3rd gear, just so I can have enough gear, and I'll just roll with you. You know what I'm saying?
Easy was like you and him off. I'm like, yeah. That's literally how my body feels. You'll see the. That's how I feel on the inside every time.
Oh man, I'm not riding right now, bro. When I see you on the highway, I'm like, oh! On the highway, when you were hitting it in turns, were you losing any grip or no?
No.
Grab it.
Yeah, it sticks.
I started going OD in the beginning. I'm like, I'm in a car. I can't.
He did take off. You was like, so. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
You started getting a little wobbly and then you backed again. Set it up.
Yo, you pick up on all the shit I do. Not a lot of people really see it.